The Ancle George Scholarship for Studies in Sustainable Tourism Development or Management is established in honor of a man whose life was defined by resilience and purposeful leadership. This partial scholarship, which covers up to 100% of tuition fees and books for both full-time and part-time students, will be awarded annually to a deserving individual with a commitment to community tourism and creating positive change. The late Ansel Everson George, known affectionately as Emma or Joe, was a visionary entrepreneur and community activist whose heart never strayed far from his roots in Castara, Tobago. Ansel received his early education at Castara Primary School, where he maintained a lifelong connection and collaboration with the institution after his formal schooling. Ansel's life journey was as diverse as his impact on society. As a skilled tradesman and educator, he eventually transitioned into full-time entrepreneurship, founding and managing the Naturalist Beach Resort. Through this venture, he became a pioneer of community-based tourism, championing sustainable development and cultural preservation. His business was more than a resort. It was a platform to showcase the beauty and spirit of his community. Ansel founded the Naturalist Castara Awards Committee in 2004. This initiative ensured that community leaders received their flowers while they could still appreciate them. His compassion also extended to the next generation with his annual Children's Christmas Extravaganza, an event dedicated to bringing hope and joy to the children of Northside Tobago. The late Ansel George believed in the power of education and community to transform lives. Though he was a successful businessman and philanthropist, his greatest legacy lies in the people he inspired and the community he helped to build. Ansel George's legacy lives on through his scholarship fund, dedicated to supporting individuals who embody his spirit of service and his commitment to uplifting others. Though he is no longer with us, his vision, kindness, and invaluable contributions to his community will always be remembered and cherished.